In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy, paste, and cut Google Drive files. This process will only take about 5 minutes, and by the end of it, you'll be able to handle your Google Drive files with more ease and efficiency. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Once you're there, head to the search bar and type in Google Drive. Doing this will bring up a list of search results. What you're looking for is the link to Google Drive, or more specifically, the URL that includes drive.google.com/drive quota. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you've landed on the Google Drive page, you'll need to log in. Make sure you're entering your correct credentials to access your files. If you're part of a shared drive or using an account that requires two-step verification, ensure that process is completed so you're fully logged in and ready to go. With your Google Drive open and everything set up, it's time to start managing your files. Look through your drive until you find the specific file or folder that you want to move or copy. Simply click on it to select it. This step is crucial because without selecting a file, any copying or cutting commands will not work. Once you've selected your desired file or folder, you have two initial options: copying or cutting. If you just want to make a duplicate to have in another part of your drive without removing the original, you'll need to copy. To do this, press the Ctrl key and the letter C at the same time on your keyboard. This command tells your computer to remember this file or folder and that you intend to make a duplicate of it. Alternatively, if you want to move this file or folder from its current location to another without leaving a copy behind, you'll need to cut. The keystroke for cutting is Ctrl+X. Think of this as telling your computer, "I'm taking this file from here to place it somewhere else." After you've decided whether to copy or cut, navigate to the location in Google Drive where you want your file or folder to be. Once at the desired location, you're ready to paste. To do so, hit Ctrl+V on your keyboard. This command will paste the file or folder you either copied or cut into this new location in your drive. If you copied the file, you'll notice the original is still in its initial spot. However, if you chose to cut, the file or folder will now only be located in this new position, effectively moved. And there you have it. You've successfully moved or duplicated files in your Google Drive using the copy, cut, and paste commands. Practice these steps, and soon they'll become second nature as you manage your digital files. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.